Ayan, so nagbabalik po tayo dito sa EBQ Music. At again, I'm Iris. I'm Iris, no? Tandaan mo yan, guys. Nakalimutan bigla, no? Anyway, so ayan. So since nagpakita na ng magagandang kanta ang ating mga EBQ artists, of course, magbibigay din po ako sa inyo ng magagandang song. So I hope na i-share and like niyo po ang aming EBQ Music. At the same time, syempre, supportahan niyo po yung mga OPM namin dito sa EBQ Music sa YouTube. EBQ Music Diary sa YouTube. Alright? So, sige po. My first song is, ito yung OST movie, ganon. Ano ba title na ito? Always Remember Us This Way, o diba? Kakantahin ko, hindi ko alam ang title. Pero anyway, so ito na po ang ating song, number 1. So, hope you like it, guys.
si Lady Gaga.
Inangkin ang version. Bahala sila dyan. Charot. Pero anyway, ito po yung aking next song. Actually, ito po yung mga kanta na siguro 70s, 80s, ganyan. Ito yung mga favorite talaga ng mga, ng mga, yung mga amateur singing contest. Feeling ko lang, yung na to, forever. Talagang may forever. Diamond, diamond. Ayan. So, let's go to our next song naman. Ito na mga 80s, 80s, 70s. Mga titas and titos natin, no? So, this song is by Madonna. It's Material Girl. Okay? So, let's go! Please like and share. Some boy kiss me, some boy hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't good proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can plead, but they can't see the light. 'Cause the boy with cold hard cash always miss the right. 'Cause we're all living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that you are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Some boys romance, some boys romance. That's alright with me. If they can raise my interest, then I'll let them be. Some boys try and some boys die, but I don't plan to play. Only boys that send their pennies make my rainy day. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. We know that you are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Boys may go and boys may go, and that's alright to see. Experience has made me rich, and now they're after me. 'Cause we're living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that you are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. In a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. I'm material, I'm material, I'm material world. Alright, thank you so much. That was a Material Girl by Madonna. Ayan, so ayan sa mga viewers natin dyan. Hello, hello everyone. So kaway-kaway kayo. Comment down below kayo kung nasaan kayo ngayon. Para naman ma-shoutout natin yung mga names nyo dyan, okay? So, ayan. So, like and share nyo lang po ang aming EVQ Music Production FB page. At the same time, yung aming YouTube sa search nyo lang po ang EVQ Music Diaries. Nandiyan po yung mga songs natin, mga original songs. Alright, so next song naman is Shy Guy. So, alam kong alam nyo din to. Kaya sabayan nyo ako, guys. Alright? I don't want no fly guy. I just want a shy guy. That's what I wanted. You know what I wanted. Oh Lord, have mercy, mercy, mercy. Man, they better not party, party, party. They all of them are sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Everywhere they go, they want them on my shit. It's a holiday, but pretty boy, I love it. I need some love. Yes, I need some love. Truly always when I'm sexy. Everywhere they go, I need some love. Yes, I need some love. But I don't want somebody who loves everybody. Shy guy who will only live in my. Oh Lord, have mercy, mercy, mercy. Divided in a party, party, party. You're all of them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them are move me, move me, move me. Only giving me I. Rockin' one when I want my day. Beat up my body like half me hits. Me no want none of it. Me no want none of it. This is what I wanna try Monday. To be my friends till the very end. Till the very end. But I don't want somebody who loves everybody. Shy guy who won't live in mine. Oh Lord, have mercy, mercy, mercy. Divided in a party, party, party. The only them sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them are move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, want to, want to, want to. Only giving me I. Have mercy, 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 mercy. Come on. One more step, one more step. Lord, this is mercy. Shine man when I hear you. If you wanna then wanna see you. This is dedicated to all the shine man crew. Shine man when I hear you. If you wanna then wanna see you. This is dedicated to all the shine man crew. But I don't want somebody who loves everybody. Shy guy who won't live in I need a shy guy. I need a shy guy. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them are move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, want to, want to, want to. Only him me, I. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. The all of them are sexy, sexy, sexy. Watch them just follow me, follow me, follow me. Have mercy, mercy, mercy. None of them are move me, move me, move me. Shy guy, want to, want to, want to. Only him me, I. Shy guy, shy guy, shy guy. Alright, thank you so much. That was a from Diana King, Shy Guy. Ayan. So, yun, may next song naman. Pumunta naman tayo sa ating next song. So, ito naman ay English pa rin. Ayan. So, this song is, I think ito din ay 80s or 80s. Yan, 80s. Title ng song na to is Wind Beneath My Wings. So, ito yung favorite ko din talaga siya. Sunlight on your face. syempre, ito po yung aking single song. Ito po yung Sayang ang Pag-ibig. Ayan. So, sino dito yung mga naka-download na? Ayan. So, please download sa YouTube and Spotify. Ayan. Out na po yung song natin dyan. Kaya supportahan niyo po ang mga OPM song. Especially, syempre, yung mga EVQ music song. Alright? So, sige po. While... may nakakonect po ba? Ayan, so i-connect lang natin, no? So again, so please like and share po yung ating FB page po, no? Para at least makikita nyo rin po yung mga activities ng EVQ Music at the same time yung mga practices po ng mga artists dito sa EVQ Music, alright? So while waiting sa aking song, ayun. Alright, so again, this is my single song, Sayang ang Pag-ibig, by yours truly, Iris. Alright? Okay. So, wala ng kasiyahan. supportahan nyo naman po yung aking OPM song. At syempre, paki-download nyo na rin po yan ulit sa Spotify. At syempre, abangan nyo po yung next na aking original single song. Ayan, so this coming